Hello, welcome back. All right, in this video we're going to do a right side turn with an inside underarm turn for the follower. Cool? So we're going to take it away from the camera. All right, start on two-hand hold up position and slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Cool, let's do that again. Starting from here and slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Good, let's take it from this angle. Ready? And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Good, one more time from this angle. And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Good, all right, so you can see you can actually travel with this a little bit, and you can also go at different angles, so it doesn't have to be exact the way we did it. Cool? All right, so what do you got to do? Practice, practice, practice. Look at the private lesson style videos if you need to, and then come on back for the next pattern.